Hi guys, welcome to this system. It's my ISO builder and it's uploading all kinds of stuff. So it's from November and we just keep on rolling. That's the idea of a rolling distribution. Topic of the video is I've lost something. ArcoLinux TeamViewer. It's gone. I'm gonna reverse engineer whatever it was that I have created and now have lost. So in the archive, so a backup system that I have, ArcoLinux TeamViewer, that's the thing that is now present. And I can't update it because the package build, gone, right? So reverse engineer. This is what I had in mind back then. Let me take that first. So I've got a package, can double click it and I can install it. But I can't build it. Yay, TeamViewer. In the meantime, TeamViewer of course got new updates, 15.27, 15.119. Out of date, they even say here. Lots of numbers as you see, but I guess I'll take the very last one, 15. Then I'll do an X ArcoLinux TeamViewer. I've extracted whatever it was that I used. So this, that. What's var? Var log TeamViewer. Don't need that. User bin lib systemd system TeamViewer service. Okay, share application. All kinds of things, dbus, icons, license and the bulkit. In the opt we have TeamViewer, and etc we have nothing. Ctrl H, no, nothing. So this is what I used to have. Then we do a yay TeamViewer, and that's number 1. Stop. Now we go to the cache. Yay is down here and TeamViewer is here, and these two guys I need. Okay, back up. That's that. These guys go here. What if I make a package? So now I have a package based on a Debian file. I have one for Arch. These are the packages, etc, TeamViewer, nothing, opt, TeamViewer, same documents, user bin lib share. So I wonder what's the difference that I made, and I think I know what the difference was. The knowledge I gather, I find it on the internet, and I put everything in scripts. The ArcoLinux Nemesis GitHub contains knowledge. How to install Qt development QEMU, how to install TeamViewer. ST, I have deleted it, right? Since I had my script. Install TeamViewer. STV, no, it's not there anymore. Cool. Ctrl Alt F. Oh, better idea. Stay down here, not go to the internet, and go to the data, to the ArcoLinux Nemesis, and choose, right? Git ahead, git find. I'm trying to learn to work with this one. So, oh, time, moment. Okay, back. Where is the search button here? Like I said, It's not my thing, so let's not waste your time with it. Git ahead is what I know now. The other one I still need to learn. So search ArcoLinux TeamViewer. Actually, it might have been just TeamViewer. Let's see. So back in the years, I cleaned up a few things. It seems here. That's my original TeamViewer. That's the code I had for TeamViewer. Control C, and then Super F, AOR, and now let's copy paste something like this one. Control C, Control V, TeamViewer, and in here goes nothing. Okay, thought as much. So, can we do Control A? Oh yeah, sure. Control C, Super F, Control A, Super V. Save. Okay, now we can analyze. What's so important here? Here we enable stuff. Here we install everything. And here we install this as well. Dependencies. Are they still required? We need to figure that out. We need to figure it out. Okay, sorry. Have to check something. So that means that was the way how I built ArcoLinux back in the days. So it's always a good thing to check again. How about I just install TeamViewer and do not install dependencies with it. So these would be the dependencies in your package build. And then later on, this will be the install file. So go and enable and maybe enable and then now something like that. Then we don't need the start. Like so. Okay, so that means let's keep that one open. And then if we go to the desktop and we have the package build, what if we changed the name to underscore package name? Everywhere, Control H. Everywhere you find package name, you will say underscore package name. Replace all. Boom. Don't think about it. Except above here, of course. Don't do that. Ah, computers, right? So package name. Find one. No package name. Never used in any code. Okay. Then we shouldn't have done it. ArcoLinux TeamViewer. And here are some depends. And here are my depends, I think. To use system's native libraries. This can be save around 150 MB disk space. So read, right? Read code. Read what it says. Okay. What I like to do, TeamViewer install. Post install, remove opt. Okay, that's Sublime text budding out. The TeamViewer daemon must be running for the team leader, and that's that line. Eh? Control C. And then if you install it, you do it. I don't think sudo is necessary. One moment. So if you install it and if you upgrade it, then it's going to do this. So our text is something like is enabled automatically. So I don't have to think about that anymore. The TeamViewer daemon is enabled automatically. Voila, save. And if you remove these things, removing, then you are going to system disable, not now, but just disable TeamViewer. That's it. Don't care for Vim. Save. Voila. And it's these small things that matter, right? If you, the automation, the efficiency, the laziness, sorry. But I want to, when I install something, it's there. It has to be ready to go and help my mother and my brother, because that's what TeamViewer is. You log into another one's computer 100 kilometers, 2,000 kilometers away, or miles, and then you help them with Windows often, right? So that's that. We could have a look at all the dependencies for sure, like the install TeamViewer. That's done. So that's here. And then do we still need it, right? I wonder, this is my machine where I do all this stuff. I log into the other computers. So font config is not installed. No. Lib png, no. Lib sm. That's installed. But can be there because of other reasons, right? Voila. All these applications needed. So we'll do first without. That's the best approach, I think, for developers or people who want to make package build. First do without dependencies. And the best way to do this is actually on a pure Arch system or ArcoLinux D minimal thing. So you get the messages, it will not work because it needs this, it needs that. If it's like this on the ISO builder, I have so many packages on this machine, so I will have zero problems, right? 1870. There are 6, 7 systems there. Cinnamon is there, GNOME is there, Leftovia and Plasma and XFC, right? They're all on one system. I have so many packages. So, decision time is that I say this should do it. I don't think I've added any code in here, but I do think I just enabled it. Here's the RT-lib. So that's a decision we have to make, right? That was something we should read again. Uncommon to use systems native libraries. This can save around 150 megabyte. Remove. Okay, so now it's on there, but I don't have megabytes enough. Let's try first. So this one can go. That's built, that's built. Now this should be making an update. ArcoLinux TeamViewer. Voila. So we got a package, ArcoLinux TeamViewer, and everything is in there. Fine. Oh, can go, can go, can go. This one we're gonna install. Sudo pacman -remove. Let's first see if it's containing something old. Control C. I'll add an S. No, so just that thing. 19, and we're going to 27. bit of backbone minus S, and then OU ArcoLinux TeamViewer. Voila. The TeamViewer daemon is enabled automatically, created symlink and so on. Cool. Let's make this cooler. Let's make this cooler. Echo. It's all packed next to each other, right? Let's see if this is nicer. Let's force him to make a package, so it's gonna override this one. Up, install, install. And this is nice, right? The TeamViewer daemon is enabled automatically. All right, this is good enough for me, and this can go online. So I reverse engineered, but it was really necessary. GitHub, it was gone. Go back in time, right? There is so much kept in the history of GitHub. That's why this thing gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, right? Properties. 10 megabyte, if you think that's nothing, sure, you're right, that's nothing. But if you have these big repos of all these data, right, all these packages, every single package is kept 12.9 gigabyte. So it is accumulating like hell, right? So voila, this is ArcoLinux TeamViewer. We'll put it online. Just test it out. Maybe I can test it. I don't know. I don't want to share my accounts or anything. So let me see if that is a problem or not. So ArcoLinux TeamViewer. It's of course it's called TeamViewer, right? Not ArcoLinux TeamViewer. The package is ArcoLinux TeamViewer. It's not the same thing. And yeah, I'm sharing some information here that I rather not share, and none of my network friends, my computer friends, are online. So it's working, looking good, but I'll install it on something bare, and I'll see if we need some dependencies or anything. But nope, don't think anyway on my machine, the ISO builder. There's no need to add anything. We'll see. All right, cheers.